pancake in a rice cooker. Let's see if this works. Mix your favorite pancake mix. I have my Kodiak and my almond milk. And we're going to place it in our Dash mini rice cooker. Let's see if this works. Not done yet. Another cycle. She is done. Let's pop her on a plate. Hot. There you have a beautiful pancake. One and done for one in the mini Dash rice cooker. She is 4 points for my half cup of Kodiak mix. I have half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened applesauce, dash of vanilla, and cook her away. Serve it with your favorite pancake syrup and enjoy.